Why do I feel so weird? Hey, Brian, what do you call this? Drop sensation? Drop sensation? That's what I said, and that's what it's called. You think this is the right moment for chit-chatting? You're all about to die. What? Okay, Brain, assess the situation. You're not my boss, but fine. Let's use our eyes and senses and... Okay, yeah, we're about to die. Looks like our human just jumped out of a plane with a backpack instead of a parachute. I forgot their back, dude. Poor helmet is so dumb. Doctor, what should we do? Survive. Bye. Okay, he went too far this time. Are we supposed to do something? We should be able to increase our chances of survival if we're smart about this. Smart how? We're about to become a human pancake. Maybe we can aim for a lake or the sea. The water should be able to... Water from this height is basically like a brick wall. Besides, even if we survive, we'd be extremely injured and just drown. Yeah, that's true. It's a better idea to aim for land. Preferably a soft... or someplace that can decelerate our impact, like a pile of leaves or trees or snow. Yup, all valid options. Okay, my eyes show me a forest nearby, so I'll lean for that. I'll also open our arms and legs, which should slow us down. Okay, this feels a bit better. It's still gonna hurt, right? Oh yeah, no doubt. When we're about to hit the ground, should we curl like a ball? Nope. Before impact, we have to cover our head with our arms and prepare our legs to absorb the impact. No matter what, we must protect the head and organs if we want to have a slim chance of survival. So like a cat. Or like a big featherless chicken. Okay, here it comes. Brace yourselves. Did we survive? Just barely, but it hurts so much and our legs look like noodles. We're looking at several years of recovery, and even then we may never be able to... They're as good as new. Good job surviving this somehow. If only real